Hi everyone, today I'm going to do a box opening of Dyson V8 Origin Extra. So let's get into it now. So as you can see, it contains many parts. Seems to be having a manual. Then it's got the main drum. And it has the charger. Okay. And it's got the wall mount bracket, which you can screw it in. Yeah. It's got one type of a brush head. Okay, and that's the connector, and the small brush head is here, and then the other brush head is over here. So there you go, and that's that, and that's what that is, and that's where the brush heads go in, the dust collection compartment, and the battery, and the switch. And you can change to the max suction and then the normal suction. And yeah, it's already charged, but I think it'll require a bit of charge, before the first use. And apart from that, there you go, where you can use it for carpets and for hard floors. And then this connector goes into this handle here, and then that one connects to here. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna show you how the three main parts connect to each other. Okay, so the first part is the main brush head roller, and then this one has a connector which is similar to this, and then it's like that. And then normally the long handle has a connector such as this one here, and then normally it's pretty straightforward. You just have to clip it in the this end to here, like that, and then the other end, which has this end here, okay, goes into the main head on the same way. Very straightforward. And there you go, guys. Dyson V8 Origin Extra, box opening and simple assembly. I hope everyone enjoyed the video, and I'll come up with another video soon. Thank you. Have a nice day.